Welcome back to our channel. Are you searching for the best window coverings to elevate the charm of your home? Well, look no further. Today, we'll take you on a journey through the world of window treatments, exploring the ideal options for every room in your house. Let's dive in. 1. Living room window coverings. Let's start with the heart of your home, the living room. Curtains are a classic choice for this space. They come in various colors, patterns, and fabrics, allowing you to customize the look to match your interior design. For a luxurious touch, consider floor-to-ceiling curtains with heavy drapery. 2. Bedroom window coverings. Moving on to the bedroom, where relaxation and comfort are key. Blinds are an excellent choice here, as they offer great light control. For bedrooms with a romantic vibe, consider soft fabric Roman shades. They add a touch of elegance and come in various colors to match your decor. 3. Kitchen window coverings. Now, let's move to the heart of your home, the kitchen. Here, you want window coverings that are not only stylish but also practical. Roller shades are a popular choice for kitchens. They're easy to clean, provide excellent light control, and come in a wide range of colors and patterns. 4. Bathroom window coverings. Privacy is essential in this space, so consider window coverings that offer both privacy and style. Cellular shades are an excellent choice, as they provide complete privacy while allowing soft light to filter through. 5. Home office window covering. And last but not least, let's not forget about the home office. If you work from home or need a productive space, consider curtains that complement your office decor. Sheer curtains can create a light and airy atmosphere, while blackout curtains help reduce glare on screens during presentations or video calls. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the best window coverings for every room in your home. We hope you found inspiration and ideas to elevate the look and feel of your living spaces.